Step 1. After the goods arrive, please check the packaging is completed. If there is any damage, you need to confirm the extent of the damage with the logistics company. Step 2. Put the accessory box aside, which contains wrenches and other tools and some accessories to be installed. Step 3. Remove the 8 black corners on one side. Only need remove 8 black corners on one side. Step 4. The appearance after the corners on one side are removed is as shown in the figure. Step 5. Remove the 12 screws on the 4 sides of the bottom. Step 6. Remove the protective plate on one side. Step 7. 2 people pull out the remaining protective plate as a whole. Step 8. Remove the debris and protective film. Step 9. Please check the machine is completed again. Step 10. Remove the anchor screws. The removal tools can be found in the accessory box. Step 11. Find the 2 small wrenches in the picture according to the video. Step 12. Remove the nuts on the feet. There are 4 feet and 8 nuts in total. Step 13. Find a forklift to remove the machine. Step 14. Remove the protective film and the clips that fix the moving structure inside the equipment. Step 15. There are 3 places for the fixing clips. Find and remove them. Note that one of them is on the back. Step 16. Install the 3-color light. You need to rotate the 3-color light 90 degrees to make it stand up. Holding the inner fixing plate with your hands will make it easier to operate. Step 17. Install the keyboard bracket. Remove the 4 mounting screws first. Install the bracket. Step 18. Install the monitor. Keep the key removed. Here is the key for the front and rear control box covers. Remove the screws that fix the bracket, then fix the monitor and hinge it. Step 19. Install the monitor power cable and HDMI cable. Step 20. Install the keyboard and mouse. Step 21. Move the machine to the installation workshop. Adjust the height of the feet so that the rollers are off the ground. Step 22. After installation, plug in the power cord and start working.